What's up guys, it's time to talk about the OnePlus 7 family. It's been a while since we have not talked about the OnePlus 7 leaks, but recently we got a crazy leaks and news on that. Last time we talked about the OnePlus 7's CAD renders by OnLeaks, which shows us how the next OnePlus flagship will look like with its super extreme slim bezels thanks to the implementation of pop-up selfie camera. Again, durability will be the main issue in the pop-up camera mechanism, and the reason why OnePlus went with the pop-up camera design because they are not able to make a hole on AMOLED display. As you know, Oppo and OnePlus are both sister companies, so Oppo tried a lot to make a hole on OLED display as you have seen before, but they didn't succeed it. And as you have heard from president of Samsung Display, it was a very challenging task for Samsung to make a hole on OLED panel, and both Oppo and Vivo came up with their pop-up camera design phones, so it's pretty obvious OnePlus 7 could also come with pop-up selfie camera, as these all companies operated by a single parent company named BBK Electronics. And not only this, the design also confirmed by case makers as well. And at the start I said it's time to talk about the OnePlus 7 family, so this is why I said word family, because this year OnePlus not only going to launch a successor of the OnePlus 6, which is obviously OnePlus 7, but they also come with a bigger brother of it. Yes, at same event OnePlus will be launching two models, OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro, along with the third 5G monster, which is going to be a OnePlus 7 Pro 5G. And also recently we got a live leaked image of the OnePlus 7 Pro, which looks absolutely amazing with its beautiful infinity curved edge display. And I gotta say, the curved edge here is actually very wide, but it is their first time. After some time they'll be able to make curved edges like Samsung. At starting, everyone make things like this, like what we have seen from S6 Edge and Huawei phones. And we also have one more image which shows its specifications. So as you can see here, it's designed from front and its specifications and model number. So it's coming with Snapdragon 855 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, super optics, 6.67-inch AMOLED display. So it's gonna be a large display with triple camera setup. On the back consists of main 48 megapixel sensor, 16 megapixel ultra wide sensor, and 8 megapixel telephoto sensor. So as you can see here, it says OnePlus 7 Pro, and it's coming with 6.67-inch large display. So the normal or a smaller OnePlus 7 could have somewhere around 6.2 or 6.1-inch display. The model number is GM1915, and it's having an Android 9.0 Pie. And if you doubt about these leaks, so it's further confirmed by most reliable leakster Han Agarwal. He further confirmed the model number and also confirmed that there will be three variants: OnePlus 7, OnePlus 7 Pro, as well as OnePlus 7 Pro 5G. And there's also this community image leaks which shows the tagline of the OnePlus 7 family, and here's also a tag Pro, which indeed confirmed that there will be a Pro model as well, which will definitely cost more than the regular OnePlus 7, and the 5G model goes even more higher, but this 5G model will be the cheapest 5G phone of 2019. And things are not stopping here. OnePlus is also expected to introduce their 44-watt ultra fast charging with the OnePlus 7 series, and with the super fast charging there is a high chances that OnePlus could bump up their battery to 4000 mAh as well. And in case you don't know, it is confirmed that there will be no wireless charging in the OnePlus 7 family, along with an IP rating. Yes, there will be no IP rating. OnePlus 7 Pro might have water resistance, not sure yet, but there will be no wireless charging on all models, as has already been confirmed by OnePlus CEO. So that's all here in this video. Let me know what you think about this design of OnePlus 7 Pro, and make sure to subscribe for more leaks on that. And yeah, as always, see you soon.